What happens if you drink fake coffee in Anomalous coffee machine? Come take a look. If you want to play the game, open your browser and search on Google, open Modman tab, search for the name and you'll find it. Drinking fake coffee will instantly cause mental disorientation and sensory distortion, trapping you in a loop of false memories. Your body will grow stiff and numb, and the more you drink, the sleepier you'll become, until your consciousness is completely devoured.